Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add friends in Epic 7. Adding friends in Epic 7 allows you to build your network, request help, and enjoy in-game benefits. In order to do that, open up the Epic 7 application on your device and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on the waffle menu at the top right corner in blue. In the menu that appears, tap on Friends. After you get to the Friends tab, tap on the search icon on the right hand corner. Go to the search box and type in the name of your friend or their player ID and tap on Search. From the list of search results appearing on the screen, click on Request on the right corner. After you are done, you can now get back to the game, and as soon as your friend accepts the request, you will be able to see them in your My Friends list. So that is how easy it is to send friend requests or to add friends in Epic 7. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.